You want to know how to make aesthetic video?
Open Alight Motion and make a new project.
Find your music.
Mark the lyrics.
By the way, don't forget to like this video.
Make new text layer. Type your lyrics. Making these types of video usually takes a lot of time.
Now for animation.
You can make your animation.
Or use others. You can download my XML fonts, link in the description below. Now copy and paste. Export. After export, don't forget to give your signature. Add glow using Node Video Editor. Copy these settings. Now find aesthetic video and download them. Open Capcut and follow me.
I totally don't forget to record Capcut screen recording for this part. My choice of video are very trash, so fuck.
And that's how you make a aesthetic video.
By the way,
Bye.